What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater out with our preferred installer, Clay with BTZ. And you guys know that we are dominating Texas. We're out here in DFW, specifically Frisco, Texas. Good old stomping grounds. We got a beautiful home theater that we are going to show you right here behind me. It's got focal, it has a short throw projector set up, some really unique stuff installed, and Clay's gonna walk you through the whole room. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We have all the industry leading manufacturers to choose from, guys, and the 5-star pros to put it in for you if you're not DIYing it. We ship throughout the nation though if you do want to DIY it. All right guys, let's get into it right after the intro.
Clay here. Let's go check this house out in Frisco, Texas.
All right guys, we are now in the home. I am going to take you through this entire space. Actually, Clay is going to take you through this entire space and show you exactly what was done. Now, if you guys want to see the installation process on this room right here, I want you to subscribe to that Dream Media Installs channel. You're going to see my top pros from around the country putting in projects in all different, really different situations. Like my guys in New Jersey, they pretty much only work in basements. Here in Texas, we're working in attics. So you're gonna see a wide variety of different projects being put in. Subscribe to that channel, guys. All right, over to Clay. Show us what's up.
Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. We're in Frisco, Texas. Into this beautiful room, this beautiful focal room. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the projector and the screen here. We have our Samsung Premier. This Samsung Premier, this short throw projector, triple laser. It sits about 10 inches off of the front wall, and it projects downward a 120-inch image. As you can see, this beautiful logo here. Looks just like a TV, has the same interface as a Samsung TV.
How do you like that strong fine adjust mount?
Oh, lovely, lovely. We needed that. We needed that to make this job complete. We also, you can see we ran electrical and our HDMI up there up top with a network wire for IP control if we need to later on.
And that was not there before.
None of that was here. They actually wired him in the back of the room. So to do that, to move electrical, you just have to take this, jump off of it, bring it over here and add a blue box by code. You cannot just add a retro ring or anything like that and put an outlet in it. That's not how it works. You have to add a blue box in there with 14.2 Romex, okay?
Yeah, that's really important. In some homes, code is 12.2.
There you go.
Regardless, make sure if you are DIYing it that you're doing it up to code. You don't want to burn your house down. And of course, if you hire one of our preferred installers, they're going to do it properly every time.
Exactly, exactly. So up front for our front left and rights, we have our beautiful focals. I don't believe it could be a Phantom.
This is the 100 series.
The 100 series, okay, yep. Yes.
100 series LCR.
There you
this
go.
has the 2 woofers and the tweeter, and we complemented that with the Chora series center speaker.
There you go, your
Absolutely
centers.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful giant center channel. All your dialogue will be heard, no problem.
Nice and clear, guys. Focal is known for really nice clarity in the highs.
And here's our front right here. And then let's go ahead and just show them the rears, what they look like also. So you can see they are magnetic grills on all of the speakers in here. You just simply pinch, pull off. And that's our surround right there and our surround left over there. As you can see, guys, when he pans the camera here, you can see where the speaker locations used to be, where the builder wired him. Okay, this is where he was wired when he built the house. There's one. We got one up top over here, both of them wired above the speakers. And then you can see on the front wall, they actually wired him too far out, okay? So this, if I were to install a speaker here, number one, it's behind the door. So you now lose the sound here. And it's way too high, okay? So what we did, especially on this one here, we took this, we have our stud here, okay? We have another stud here, 16 on center. We actually cut our hole here, very minimal access up top, and we drilled with our extensions through both studs and a glow rod and move this wire to here. Same way with all the other speaker wires. You just drill down. Again, on this one, the stud was here. So if I would have had to put a speaker here, it would have went that way. We don't want that. We want it here next to the screen, center of the screen.
Yep.
Okay.
And you want to talk about these rears, how you did discuss
absolutely
the correct height with the customer?
So the correct height on rears, especially here, would be ear level. Okay, so this focal, if it were my choice or something like that, we would have definitely put them all the way down here, right, to separate your sounds, your highs and your lows. But the customer didn't really want them all the way down here, so we put them kind of in between here, you know, close to ear level as possible, but not blaring in your ear. So
yeah, so we always listen to our customers and also try to educate our customers. So you guys know with Dolby Atmos, it's all about separation in audio between high effects and low effects. So we're going to come into your space and we're going to discuss the recommended Dolby Atmos basically spec, and it's up to you whether you want us to do it or not. All right.
Right. And you can see up top here, we do have our focal in ceiling 6-inch focals up there, one here for Atmos capabilities here. So the Marantz, we have a 7015 SR 7015 Marantz. It is a 9.2. It is a 9.2 channel, yep, 125 watts per channel. Plenty of power to power pretty much any system out there.
I like that we also have the watt box surge protector back here, guys.
IP controlled.
Yep, this has OVRC built in, which means that say something does get stuck, like an IP address is, you know, stuck in limbo or something like that,
yep,
or say just the units froze, you can remotely reset devices. And in addition to that, the most important function here is that it's protected and grounded. You don't want your equipment to get hit by lightning and just get wiped out. So ask whenever you talk to our sales consultants about Wattbox and which one's right for your situation.
And then to control the room, we actually have the Harmony 950 here. This does not have the hub. You simply just plug in with your laptop down below with a micro USB, get on your laptop, go to harmony.com, and you simply just program it. It's very, very easy to program yourself, but we do it quicker.
Yep. You guys know that we do promote DIY, and if you don't want to do it yourselves, you can hire the pros, and they'll get it done for you.
Yep.
You got more.
So we have our 120-inch SI Screen Innovations, high contrast, gray, right? You don't want to go into your home and you have a white screen, right? They call it a silver screen for a reason, okay? It's for your contrast levels. You get your black levels, your colors, you know, things like that. So when you have a white screen and you turn on these lights here, these sconces, I mean, if you have a white screen, it kind of washes away the green, washes everything out.
And there's nothing wrong with a white screen. That's not exactly what he's saying. What he's getting at is that there is an application for gray screens, because typically in a dedicated space where you aren't going to have any lights on and you have a low lumen output projector, you're going to do a white screen, like especially if you're running Cinescope. But in situations like this, where you have a super high lumen output laser projector and you want to have some lights on, gray or even going into like the black diamond or the slate materials give you amazing contrast and really good brightness in combination with that high lumen output projector. Because like you said, if you have a white screen, you're not going to be able to turn these lights on at all, or your image washes right out. So just wanted to reiterate that a little bit.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And some rooms actually have windows in them. Okay, we do a lot of retro rooms. So some houses have a bedroom that they want to turn into a theater. Okay, so they have at least 2 windows in there. We need to put the proper screen in that room.
Yep.
We cannot. I wouldn't want to put a white screen in a room that has multiple lights, can lights, and 2 windows.
And that has actually become more and more common, that we don't have a dedicated space. You guys know we show a variety of different projects, and the gray material is very affordable. And if you're wanting to go to the next level, the products that I mentioned earlier actually have ambient light rejecting technology, ALR, in it, which means that it's actually going to reject out that ambient light coming from the windows or the sconces or whatever, to really maximize the potential of your system. So ask our sales consultants about that as well.
Yep.
All right. Last thing is that sub, right?
Subwoofer. We have the SVS subwoofer. It is a
Let me see.
I think it's a 15-inch.
We got an SB3000. We carry all of these products, guys. We're a direct dealer, nationwide dealer with SVS.
Look at that guy.
As well as Focal, Screen Innovations.
Beautiful piano
everything.
finish. You can see that cone there. Beautiful SVS sub here.
And I see you got the walk back surge protector on.
Yes, so you can see this. This will protect your sub. We call it a little nugget.
Yeah.
This we put them on subwoofers, projectors, things like that. If you don't,
Important.
Yeah, very, very important.
I mean, that's 540 joules of protection right there, guys, which is really all you need for a single device. And they're very affordable. So ask the sales consultants about that.
Nice.
Okay, guys, we are just wrapping up on this project here, and I wanted to show one little detail that Clay pointed out, which is whenever you have an ultra short throw projector system like this mounted to the ceiling, which is very unique and special and custom, you're going to benefit from one little thing.
So let's just say we had our projector in the rear of our room. So he is actually wired here. We moved that to the front for the short throw. But if you did have a projector here and it's beaming the light here, you'll have a whole light beam here. So if I were sitting over here, my kids, wife, something, and they decided they want popcorn, a drink, they had to go to the bathroom, well, they're gonna walk across and ruin my movie.
They're gonna see
they're gonna see my shadow and me going across the entire screen. You can see that I'm about 20 inches off the wall here. No shadow on that screen.
That's pretty cool.
No shadow. So in order to do that, you can see where the light is beaming from.
Literally nobody will do this.
Right here. So you can't get that close to the screen because of the center channel anyway. But that is a very, very good advantage of having a short throw projector.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our quick overview of this full Focal 5.1.2 system. We got the 120-inch Screen Innovation screen up here, looking great with that Samsung Ultra Short Throw. Very unique project, and I'm thrilled to be able to show this to you. Now, this was installed by Clay here, our preferred installers here in DFW. We service the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area, and that's no surprise. If you guys have been a subscriber for a while, you know we love us some Texas. Dallas, Houston, Austin, San Antonio. Hit us up, guys. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from and that 5-star service to back it up if you don't want to DIY it. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater with Clay from BTZ. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Oh my gosh, is that the Dream Media van in my neighborhood? What? Wait! Dream Media, come back! We need you!